Alrighty, y'all, welcome to Ellis Mowers. Today, I'm going to show you that all carbs are not created equal on a Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine. I wasn't going to film this mower because, I cranked it up, threw some starting fluid in it, cranked up, it runs. Smokes a little bit because it's been run without the air filter, but still runs, self-propel, and everything works. This is the Troy Bilt. According to the engine cover, it's a Tough Cut 230. It was made in 2003, March 13th, according to the date code right there. 030313 is the year, month, and day. And I had the air filter cover on it. This is a primer setup before they went to the auto choke. It's actually got one of them touch and mow keys on it. It's like a safety key. So like here, I can show you, hopefully it'll start up for us. You push this button down and you pull it back and it's supposed to start. But when it starts and then you let go of it, there's like a spring action that winds back up on it. Here, let me get some starting fluid. I'll start it for y'all real quick and show you. You'll hear it. I've had one of these before. It's really cool. Really cool mower. One of the older technology, it works. It's, it's a lot more reliable than a battery, I would guess, but you only have one shot to crank it. So pretty cool technology, but I wanted to show you. Look at the difference. Look at what type of carb this thing has on it. It has one of the auto choke carbs on it. This is not an auto choke mower. I was pushing the primer bulb and it wasn't getting any gas. Everything looked like it was sealed up properly. Check out. So this is a regular carburetor. You see the difference in the carburetors yet? I'm sure you have. Primer bulb port right here that this one does not have. So this will be a quick fix. I just wanted to show y'all that make sure you put the right carburetor on your lawnmower. I would say probably after the year 2007 most of these went to the auto choke setup. This carb is good, it's just on the wrong mower. So I'm just going to take the 2 3/8 bolts on it, clamp off the fuel line, pop this new one on, and make sure that it's priming, clean it up, and we'll have a good lawnmower here with that cool little auto start feature on it. Like I said, self-propel works, blades sharp, oil needs to be changed, but that's pretty typical. Y'all seen me do that thousands of times. So I'll go ahead and work on that. I'll go ahead and finish this product. I'll show you that it runs and does everything that it needs to do before I end this video, send it on down the line. Have a nice quick video for you guys to watch this week. And yeah, I'll work on that. Catch you on in just a second. Alright, so I put a fuel line in it as well because the old fuel line was getting kind of rough looking. I want to show you that we're priming now. So we're in good shape. Oddly enough, doesn't seem to be leaking anymore. The 13mm bowl nut wasn't tight on this carburetor. It started leaking around the gasket, so I just had to tighten up the 13mm bowl nut. So let me button this thing back up. I'll give you all a final look and test on it. Alrighty, so here's the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and list it for sale the next day. Again, the lesson on this one is make sure you buy the right carb. If you buy an auto choke carb, it's not going to have that little port for the primer bulb. So, make sure you got that. This lawnmower, like I said, does smoke a little bit because I think it was run without the air filter for a period of time. Apart from that, it runs good. I will not get more than about $60 to $70 for it. Probably about 60 is what I'll list it for. It'll probably leave very quickly because people don't care if as long as it runs, it smokes. So yeah, that's going to be kind of the end on this. It's going to be a nice little short video for y'all. More of a tutorial than anything for the carburetors. So as always, let me give y'all a final look and a start. This is a warm start because I've had it running, so I'm just going to push the button and it should crank up. Probably see it smoking a little bit there. It's been running like this for about 10 minutes, so like I said, it's got the warning rings on it. I think it's about out of gas too. Like I said, this one will net me probably about 60 bucks. I'll put 60 on it, list it for that. With the 1 hour I've spent on it, I think it's worth that, honestly. This old Quantum, like I said, in the listing I'll say it runs, but it smokes a little bit while it's running. So I'll disclose that. It won't be like a surprise whenever they get here. The back wheels are a little bit worn on it. Pretty much all Troy Bilts with the ball bearing back wheels end up having that issue over the course of time. So again, nothing special about this mower. I just wanted to show you all the carburetor situation and all that. This is number 2 of the 11 push mowers that I got. Number three of the 11 push mowers that I've got that I've fixed. I fixed a lawn boy and I fixed the yard machines. So, you know, I'm getting there on them. I think the next one I'm going to work on is either one of these other Troy Bilts or the JS63 John Deere back here. They look like the more viable candidates. Or potentially that Craftsman Easy Walk with the wheels that I have on it right now. Anyways, my garage is still a mess because I'm in the middle of, I'm playing catch up. So I'm just trying to get things in and get them out. But for now, we're done with this one. I appreciate y'all watching this video, and if y'all want to follow me with real-time updates of what I'm doing, you can catch me at Ellis Mowers 09. You see I have a lot more content coming on the videos. You'll see me on Wednesdays and Sundays at 8 p.m. right here on YouTube, and I'll catch y'all then.